In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity Comet Browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the download starts and finishes smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity website. Using the official site matters because it ensures you're getting the authentic Comet browser download with the latest updates and security. If the page doesn't load right away, check your internet connection or refresh the page before moving on. Next, log into your account. Look for the login button near the top of the page. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you use two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as well. Make sure you're on the real site before entering any details and never share your password. Being logged in helps the site personalize your experience and can make the download process more seamless. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the install icon. This is usually found in the sidebar, and it may be labeled Install or show a small download style symbol. If your window is narrow and you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser or scrolling the sidebar. Take a moment to confirm you're still on the Perplexity site and that the Install option is visible. Click the Install icon and then click Download. When you hit Download, the website will either automatically detect your device or present a simple download option. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, choose a familiar folder like your Downloads folder so you can find it easily later. It's normal for a small pop-up or a Downloads bar to appear at the bottom or top of your browser, indicating the file has started saving. Now, wait patiently while it downloads. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the current server load. You'll usually see a progress indicator in your browser's download area. Avoid closing the tab or your browser while it's downloading, and try not to put your device to sleep to prevent interruptions. If the download pauses, you can often resume it from the browser's Downloads panel. If it fails, simply click Download again from the website. That's it. You've navigated to the Perplexity website, logged in, found the install icon on the left, clicked Download, and waited for the file to finish. Once the download completes, you're ready for the next step whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and take your time to ensure everything finishes properly.